We didn't know when we created the Centre for Digital Public Services just how vital it would become. In the incredibly turbulent few years since its birth, we faced multiple crises, and the agility of our digital capability has helped us through them. From responding to COVID, to helping the most vulnerable in storms, to providing a safe haven for people fleeing war. Digital systems and services have been a key enabler. And that's the point about digital. It's not about computers, it's about people. It's not about kit, it's about culture. Digital enables us to look at old problems in new ways, using openness, iteration, collaboration, and crucially, user-centered design. And that needs leadership. It needs skills, it needs capacity. And that's why we established the Centre. And boy, has it hit the ground running. In just one full year of delivery, the team has already made a big impact on the delivery of our public services. And more importantly, it's unleashed a dynamic of change. People talk about the buzz around the work of the Centre, and that's because alliances for change are being created and pennies are dropping all across Wales of the need to embrace this movement of reform. In this annual report, you can hear firsthand from representatives of organisations the Centre has worked with, including Sport Wales, Natural Resources Wales and Neath Port Talbot Council, outlining the difference that a user-centred, multidisciplinary and open approach makes to the development of services. And I'm hugely grateful to Sally Meacham for guiding the Centre in its early days and to the members of the interim board who brought their own expertise and knowledge to the table to help improve our public services. For such a young body, moments of transition are perilous, but the transition to the new leadership of Harriet and Myra has not only gone smoothly, it's heralding the next exciting phase of the Centre's own iteration. And so it's great that this is being done as a job share, the first for such a senior role in the Welsh public sector, reinforcing my point that digital is about culture change. We can do things differently, so let's. There's a big list of things to get through. Our digital strategy gives the framework, the Centre can help us find the way, and you can play your part to help keep this momentum going, to make Wales a better place to live and work, because that's what it's all about. Diolch.